Okay, sorry it took so long for this video. I'm here at the Cornwall furnace, it's called. It was made in 1862 to 1863. It took to build it, and I believe they operated it until 1867, and it made the iron for the cannons. And the iron actually was taken from here and shipped up to Rome, Georgia, and that's where they actually made the cannons from. That were the first cannons made for the Confederate soldiers to use in the Civil War. And I hope a lot of people don't feel angry about this video because it being Civil War, but it is history, and history does have to be shown. And here's a plaque that you can see if you can read it. It's kind of hard to see it, but it tells a little bit about the history of the furnace. And the county here has taken it over, and it is now in the National Landmark Historical Places in the United States. So, like I said, it's four sides. I believe where they did it, they fed the charcoal on two different sides, and then the iron came out the front, and then it was taken upriver of the Chattanooga River to Rome, Georgia. And as you can see, this is one of the openings for where the charcoal was put in. And the charcoal was made around at different farms in this area and brought here. And I was told that there was 1,000 soldiers and, I hate to say, slaves it took to build this and to operate it through the Civil War. And you can tell this is part of Wise Lake down here in Alabama, and it is a nice lake. The water is up, and you can come here by water, or you can drive like I did, and you can walk around. You can have picnic. There's 2 picnic tables down here and one up above, and then there's a pavilion where if you want to have a family reunion here. So, but they keep it well trimmed up, as you can tell. It's not grown up. I don't see no snakes or spiders around here. So right now I'm just walking around seeing if I can get a better view of it. And there it is from a distance. So you can tell it's about 35 foot tall. And when it was open, if you see right there, they used to have a bridge that went across the ledge of the hill to the top of the furnace. And that's where the pig iron, how the pig iron got up there. So, like I said, it's a very interesting place to go and see. It's history, and it ain't nothing discriminating about nobody, but history does have to be showed. in my book. And that's why I'm willing to share this video with anybody who wants to see it and check it out, and maybe want to come up here themselves and check it out. It ain't that hard to find. It's right here on the northern side of Wise Lake in Cherokee County, Alabama. So, like I said, I'm sorry that it took so long for me to do a video, and hopefully that people will go and come down here and check this place out, and also check out the video, hit subscribe, like, and notification. I want to thank my family and my friends who have subscribed to my channel and watch my videos. That's why I hope a lot of other people will do the same, because I will show the most unusual and the unshowed things that I possibly can find. There was some videos about this place, and but there was no talking. So if anybody wants to just view the site, they can put me on mute and you can put your own music up. Not to be mad at you if you do. It's up to you. I'm just a guy that likes to show people and try to explain things about how things worked and everything. So, like I said, right now I'm just walking around here, and it's in the upper 80s right now. So, like, it's nice and sunny. They said there might be some rain this afternoon sometime, but I think I'll probably be home way before it starts raining. So, like I said, I hope everybody enjoyed this little video. It's not going to be a real long one, as everybody can tell. So, I just want everybody to see something different and hear about it. So, I'm glad it's still a monument. So, that's the only thing I know what to say. But if people feel bad that it's all about the Civil War, I just think of the history of it, of what it took to build and how they built it. Because if they went up another 10, 15 foot, it'd been almost like a pyramid. Very skinny and tall pyramid. So, but I think I'm gonna call this video a day, and hopefully people will enjoy what they did see of it. And if you want to see more, you can come on down here, or you can leave me a comment about the video, and maybe you can think of other places you want to see, and just leave them in the comment and let me know, and I'll be gladly to go and video them if it's in my power to do this, a video on whatever. So, like I said, just hope everybody enjoyed it, and we will catch you next time. Okay? Hope everybody has a good day and keep a smile going, and stay in good moods. Be good to your family. You guys have a good day. Bye.